Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a 9:16 project so your short fills phone screens. Import the footage you want, drag files, or click upload. Once done, set resolution to 720 or 1080p and 30 FPS for smooth playback. Make sure to organize clips in a simple folder or timeline track. This saves time when trimming. You'll want clear, punchy shots near the front, so mark in slash-out points before you cut to keep the edit fast and mobile-ready. Now you refine pacing and visuals. Trim clips aggressively to hit 15 to 60 seconds, with 30 seconds as a sweet spot. Use jump cuts, speed ramps, and subtle zooms to emphasize action, but don't overdo effects. Add text captions and position them inside the safe area so they're readable on phones. Once captions are set, balance audio levels and add a short music loop at -6 dB to avoid overpowering dialogue. Then preview full screen to confirm flow and timing. Finally, export as MP4 using H.264 at 720 to 1080p and 30 FPS for best compatibility. Make sure the file size meets platform limits and check loudness so viewers don't need to adjust volume. If you see playback glitches or missing media, re-import the original clip and replace the timeline asset. Alternatively, clear Clipchamp's cache and restart the app. One quick troubleshooting tip: relink offline media first, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.